Hi everyone, welcome to English with Noor. I'm so happy you're here. In today's lesson, we'll learn English through a simple and fun conversation between two people meeting for the first time. Listen, repeat, and enjoy learning. Let's go!
Hi there, how are you today?
Hi, I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thanks for asking. My name is Emma, what's your name?
My name is John. Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too, John.
Are you from around here?
No, I'm from London, I'm just visiting. What about you?
I live here in New York.
Oh, New York is amazing, it's my first time here.
That's great. Do you like the city so far?
Yes, I love it, the people are friendly and the food is delicious.
I'm glad to hear that. How long are you staying?
Just 1 week. I want to see as much as I can.
Are you traveling alone?
No, I'm here with my sister.
That sounds nice. Are you on vacation?
Yes, we're taking a short break from work.
What do you do for work?
I'm a teacher. I teach English to children.
Wow, that's cool. I'm learning English too.
Really? Your English is very good.
Thank you. I practice every day.
That's the best way to learn, practice every day.
Do you like teaching?
Yes, I love it. It's my passion. And you, what do you do?
I work in a coffee shop. I make coffee and serve customers.
That's nice. I love coffee.
Me too. Maybe I can show you a nice cafe nearby.
That would be great. Thank you.
I'm just visiting =and FQT, Zwar. How long are you staying? =KMSTB I'm here with my sister =and H&M, Kitty. What do you do for work? =NM I work in a coffee shop. Mel Phi Mej.
Great job! This was a simple conversation, but full of useful phrases. Listen again, repeat, and try to use some of these sentences in your daily practice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more lessons here on English with Noor. See you in the next video. Bye.